saying when we're on family road trips, we go out of our way to stop at Buc-ee's every single time. All right, this weekend was one for a while that had people on edge. We had flood watches in effect, and especially yesterday, there were a couple of downpours that prompted some flooding issues in Mason County, Gillespie County, even near Blanco County. But fortunately, today, everything quieted down. The flood watches were pulled early in. Yeah, it was nice and comfortable too. 92 our high, the average is 95. Currently outside it is 82 degrees and skies have cleared. The front is to our south and the last little showers that are trying to move into Milam County are drying up fast. So what's next? A drier pattern for now. This weekend, though, things could get a little interesting. Let's first talk about the drier air. First thing tomorrow morning, Mason 65. It's actually going to feel pretty nice out there. 72 Austin, 72 in LaGrange for your first day back to school after the long holiday weekend. By noon, we're up to 89 degrees, afternoon high temperature 96, a degree above average, but fairly comfortable in the humidity department. We'll go 94 in Llano, 95 Bastrop, 97 degrees in Lockhart. We will have a warming trend though. By Wednesday, sunshine 98, and Thursday, 100 degrees. If anything, I might be compelled to even go 101 if trends continue. Now let's talk about the tropics. In the Atlantic, a 60% development chance. Next named storm is Gabrielle. I'm not worried about Gabrielle. However, on the Pacific side of things, Tropical Storm Kiko expected to become a Category 1, then 2 hurricane, could potentially bring some nasty weather toward Hawaii. But it's this other X that marks the spot with a 90% development chance. This is future Lorena. Right now, all of it's heading toward generally the Baja California area, but we're watching this moisture. By Thursday, it's way out in the Pacific, but there are indications that this moisture might try to make a quick turn into the Four Corners, into New Mexico, and then into the Lone Star State. If this happens, we might potentially be dealing with potentially heavy rain by this upcoming weekend. And you might be saying, whoa, hold on. This weekend, it's the home opener for the Longhorns. All indications right now are that we should see dry weather for 11 a.m. kickoff on Saturday. Also dry weather for Zilker relays taking place on Friday evening. But it's Saturday evening through Sunday when rain chances go up, and that 40% chance on Sunday